Hello, divine souls. Angel power, welcome you all in this beautiful meditation of Archangel Raphael, the angel of healing, the master angel, the supreme angel for the healing. He reaches across numerous religions and belief systems, just as the healing art of Reiki does. He loves to be called upon and welcomes any opportunity to show you a sign of his presence. He emits a beautiful green emerald light, and you can feel his presence around you during this meditation. So get ready to start with this beautiful meditation of connecting with Archangel Raphael. Sit quietly at a place where you will not be disturbed for next 5 to 10 minutes. Clean the room. Use all the symbols you know. You can use Reiki symbols, you can use Zebu symbols, Lama symbols, or simply visualize that the room where are you sitting is being filled with beautiful white light. Light a beautiful green candle and just enjoy this meditation space which you have created for yourself right now. Close your eyes and take few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your breath for few minutes. Now visualize that Archangel Raphael is standing in front of you and he is speaking something to you as a message. Be open to whatever messages you feel he is trying to tell you. Do not dismiss any information you are receiving. Even if it does not make any sense right now, it will make sense to you a few days or week later. Try to focus on the thoughts you are having, any image, any sensation you are feeling. This is Archangel Raphael giving you the messages. have any questions for him, now is the time to ask. And pay attention to whatever thoughts you suddenly have. These thoughts are the answers to your questions. Now visualize that your entire body and the space is filled with this beautiful green light and clearing away whatever is bothering you and bringing healing to you. Once you are done, thanks Archangel Raphael for his loving presence around you, and open your eyes, feeling relaxed and at a peace. At this point, do not talk to anyone and write down any message or symbol which you feel you were given during this meditation. Note down each and every point, each and every thought, each and every symbol which you saw during this meditation. You may also feel like writing a letter of gratitude to Archangel Raphael. Thank him for his presence and bringing healing to your life. Wishing you all love and light. Angel blessings to all. Merlin magic begins now.